Hi guys, welcome to Slim Ross Leather and Wood Workshop. Just going to do a quick show you around, and yeah, so come on over here. And at the moment I'm just making a wallet for somebody with a Ferrari logo and a Lamborghini logo. Yeah, just in the stage of making that, and it's all the outer bits, or the inner bits over there. These are all my different tools in here, and lots of different drawers full of tools and stuff. Yeah, and then if you come on over here, this is my only bit of electrical equipment that I use for the leather work. It's a burnishing machine. It just when you're doing a lot of stuff, it just makes it a bit easier and quicker to burnish and weld all the edges together with the leather. But you still got to finish it off with your wooden slicker stick, which it makes it really nice. And this is a wallet that I've just finished making as well. It's a Secret Garden wallet. Yeah, and then if you have a look on the bench all the way along here, there's wristbands and other wallets, hair barrettes, glasses cases, small wallets, change pouches, guitar key rings. There's some different range of little key fobs here for putting your keys on in your pocket and stuff. We're going to go over to the other side now. And this is sort of another workbench. I run courses in here. Usually have another bench here, run it for 3 people. But at the moment it's just my woodworking bench. At the moment I'm just making an inlaid wooden frame for inlaid leather for a leather picture. And it's got this all covered in lots of all interesting stuff. So when I'm twiddling my thumbs, wondering what I'm going to make next, I've got lots of interesting things to look at. And it's a little bit like my old miner's hut they used to live in on the west coast of the South Island in New Zealand. A little picture of it just here. Yeah, and yeah, so thanks very much, and hope you enjoy the little video. Bye.